Hann Reserved welcome members of the media on Wednesday, May 21, for an exclusive tour of its eco-luxury sanctuary resort in New Clark City, Tarlac, offering a first look of its world-class golf facilities, lifestyle concepts, and sustainability-driven vision. Set against the scenic Zambales mountain range, the 450-hectare development combines luxury, nature preservation, and wellness, positioning itself as a future premier tourism and golf destination in central Luzon. Media guests explored the club at Hann Reserve, the property's lifestyle and sports hub, featuring 3 championship golf courses designed by global golf icons: Dragon's Landing by Nicholas Design, 6 Moons by KJ Choi, and Cavern's Dip by Sir Nick Faldo.
Dragon's Landing by Nicholas Design here at Hann Reserve is somehow, because what I explained before, is a very modern design, so it's deliver to golfer a new experience. Most of the golf courses in the Philippines have been built on a flat land with a lot of trees, whereas this course is on top of mountains.
The resort also highlighted its upcoming PGA Performance Center, a modern training facility designed to develop golfers of all skill levels through advanced technology and professional instruction.
It's also one of the, I would say, signature feature of this project. To grow the game of golf, our chairman, Mr. Hann, wanted to partner with one of the biggest organizations. And so the biggest organization for golf at the moment is the PGA of America. So they will assist us to open our academy, develop our teaching program. There will be international.
Located just 2 hours north of Manila, Hann Reserve aims to place Central Luzon on the global map for championship golf, sustainable tourism, and nature-inspired luxury living. For Hann Reserve, greatness is not built. It grows naturally from the land, people, and purpose behind the destination. This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.